Get ready for something truly special. We're about to explore the profound wisdom of a quote that has inspired generations. Let's start with the quote itself. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live by the light that I have. These words were spoken by the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln. But why did he say them? And what was happening in his life at that time? During Lincoln's presidency, the United States was divided by civil war, and the weight of the nation's future rested on his shoulders. He faced immense pressure and countless challenges, but remained steadfast in his principles. Now let's deconstruct this quote. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. These words remind us that success isn't always about winning, but staying true to our values and principles, no matter the outcome. The second part, I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live by the light that I have, emphasizes the importance of living by your moral compass, irrespective of success or failure. This is a profound insight. Digging deeper, we see that Lincoln is urging us to stand with what is right and part with what is wrong. It's a timeless lesson in moral courage. So, how can we apply these principles in our lives? Let's look at some practical examples. Imagine you're faced with a tough decision at work, one that challenges your integrity. What do? You stand with what's right, even if it's not the easiest path. You follow your own guiding light, or perhaps you see someone in need. Do you help, even if there's no guarantee of success? Yes, because it's about being true to your values. To implement this in your life, remember these two key principles. Stand with what's right and live by your principles. It's not about success, it's about being true. Let's take a moment to reflect. How does this quote resonate with you? And here's another question for you. Can you share a personal story where living by your principles led to a meaningful experience? We'd love to hear your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Let's keep this discussion going. Abraham Lincoln's words remind us that true success isn't about winning or achieving, but about staying true to our principles and values. It's a timeless message that can guide us in every aspect of our lives. Key takeaways. Stay true to your values. Live by your light. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.